Honestly, you could have a really good business to go.
All right. Today what we're gonna do? We did cost and count one day. Yesterday we did perimeter. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna work with area. All right. Same type of thing as before. We've got our 5 steps to word problems. We're gonna read the problem. So first of all, the area of a rectangle is 18 square feet. The length of the rectangle is twice the width. Find the length and the width of the rectangle. Okay. So again, what I would do is I would draw a picture of your rectangle. I'm dealing with length and width, so I'm going to have L equal the length and W equal the width. Right? So set the same as perimeter. And I can also go, L and W and W and L. Now, this is different than perimeter. It's not the rim. It's the inside. So I'm trying to find out the stuff in the inside. And if you remember in elementary school, you did it on graph paper and you counted the little blockies. Yeah, that's what you did. Okay, but now we don't have those little blocks and we're dealing with something a little bit more complex. So what you're going to do is area equals, and it's length times width. And this is always the equation for an area. Okay, so that's our first equation. Now we got to get the second one. And it's hidden in the problem. It says the length of the rectangle is means equals. So the length is equals twice its width. What would that be? 2W. There's your second equation. Okay, so now follow the area formula. So the area they said was 18. So I'm going to go 18 equals, I'm going to take out this L and I'm going to put in 2W. And then I'm going to have the W on the outside. I wouldn't put a dot. I put parentheses. Okay, so 18 equals 2W squared. Because area is squared. W times W is W squared. It's not 2W. Okay? So now, don't be wigged out by this. This is not that big a deal. I'm going to divide by 2. Alright, so 9 equals W squared. Now, I don't like the W squared. What did you do last year and the year before to get rid of the squared? Do you remember? You're going to square root it. Oh, it's not that bad. Goodness gracious. It's like I'm putting bamboo underneath your fingernails. Okay? What this does is it gets rid of that little 2. So W equals, what's the square root of 9? 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. So the width is 3 what? Feet. On this step right here, all I need to do is do the square root to get by itself. You get the variable by itself, so it's going to be W squared. Then undo it, you square root it. But you have to get rid of the 2 before you square root it. Yeah. Alright, and then I need to find my L, so I'm going to grab my formula from up above. L equals 2W. L equals 2 times 3. So L is 6 feet. And I'm done. That's it.
I used 18, or I used the original problem, and I got 18 equals 3L.
Oh, so you use this original area equals length times width?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You can. I use this one over here just because it's all set up for length. I don't have to do any extra math.
Yeah.
But that's it, that's area. Areas I find is actually easier than perimeter because there's no distributive property.